Hey, good afternoon. It's Mark Schultz here with Digital Aircraft, and we are going live again at MRO Americas 2022 in Dallas. And I've been walking the floor this morning and talking to different companies, and it's really been a lot of energy here. And I hope you've enjoyed the live broadcasts that we've done this morning. And I have another interesting interview I'm doing right now here at Airborne Maintenance. And so, could you introduce yourself to the people watching and just say who are you and what do you do?
Yeah, thanks. Brad Carucci. I'm the Director of Component Repair and Manufacturing in Wilmington, Ohio for Airborne Maintenance and Engineering Services.
Perfect. And we're going to dig into that a little bit more because I want you watching to know who Airborne Maintenance is and how it kind of fits into the industry and what are your areas of specialty, really, okay? Right. So let's just first start out with that. You said you're in Wilmington, and you're part of a larger group of companies, right? What's the larger group of companies?
So ATSG is the parent company. We have 3 airlines. We are the 145 maintenance shop that takes care of 3 of our sister companies, as well as external customers that send in aircraft parts for maintenance.
And who are the sister companies then?
So Airborne, ABX Air, Air Transport International, and Omni Air International are the 3.
Okay.
The shop was born to support ABX and Airborne Express in Wilmington, Ohio, when it was the intra-U.S. DHL feeder for that operation. So the shop and the heavy maintenance facility grew out of support for the airline there.
Right. And then a couple of years ago, recently you acquired another company too, right?
It acquired PEMCO in Tampa. So Tampa, Florida has another heavy maintenance facility there. And we also do conversions there on the 737, 300, 400, and 700 series, as well as we just started our first A321 conversion with our joint venture with A321 Precision.
Oh, congratulations.
Yeah, good. Thanks.
So let's go back to the airborne maintenance part of this first, right? So airborne maintenance, it's a 145 operation,
yes.
Is that correct? All right. And give the people watching a little bit of an idea of the scope of the operation. Like, for example, do you do heavy maintenance?
We do heavy maintenance. Currently, 6 lines of heavy maintenance. We have 3 lines of 757 heavy maintenance right now, and 2 lines of 76 heavy maintenance.
And is that really pretty much your specialty then?
Yeah, those are the main airframes: 757, 6, and 777.
Okay, great. So those 3, and then you also do. You said you're involved in the component maintenance as well.
Right, component maintenance and manufacturing.
Okay, so let's break those 2 out then. So you have heavy maintenance, and then you have component maintenance and manufacturing. Now, what is your specialty in component maintenance?
I'd say in component maintenance, flight controls, wheels. Basically components that come off 767, 757s to support the planes and heavy check and sister companies. We don't do pneumatics, some hydraulics, but crew seats are a big one, and basic mechanical components, core cowls, inlet cowls, flight controls. Those are pretty much our core.
So pretty broad scope.
Yeah, pretty broad.
And when you say you do manufacturing, what does that really even mean?
So manufacturing, we have 7 vertical mills and a CNC, all CNC controlled mills that we actually manufacture parts in support of the heavy maintenance lines, and as well as to support some of the conversions that are going on at our PEMCO facility. So we get the drawings from our manufacturer. We actually make the part out of metal in our shop. We actually have the ability to conversion code it, prime it, paint it, mark it, package it, and ship it to the customer. So it's a one-stop.
Pretty deep capabilities.
It is. Yeah, it's very deep.
So let's sum this up. Is it 145 operator doing heavy maintenance, component maintenance, and manufacturing? And in addition to that, you also has part of ATSG, PEMCO. So you're doing cargo conversions, and so those being your areas that are the main focus areas. And you said in the heavy maintenance, you do 757, 67, and 777. And then the components you just talked about and remanufacturing. All right. So we're down here at MRO Americas, and there's a lot of companies all around us, right? There's other, MRO companies. Why would someone want to come to Airborne Maintenance instead of going to anybody else that's to my left or to my right?
That's a really good question. And, every big airline or every major operator comes to Wilmington, and they can't believe what we have for capabilities.
Really?
Yeah, everybody from UPS to United is blown away that they bring an aircraft for heavy maintenance, and the parts don't leave the facility. If they need a part made, it goes across the street. We make the part, it comes back to the aircraft, and it's made in shorter time they could ever get it anywhere else. So Boeing parts right now, out of production aircraft, it's very difficult to get spare parts. Boeing gives us the authority to make these parts for them. So not just at our facility. If another operator is at some other heavy check facility and they can't get a part made, they could send us the drawings, send us the approval. We could make the part for them. Right now we're making parts for planes in Poland, making parts for planes in Florida, and our facility in Wilmington and our sister company in Tampa. So without our back shop support, planes wouldn't get through heavy check when they.
That's really impressive.
Yeah.
I've been around for a long time, and I thought you just delivered packages or something. Airborne.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's pretty amazing on the capabilities that you have in supporting that entire operation. Listen, if somebody wants to get in touch with you, what's the best way to do that? First of all, are you on LinkedIn?
Yes, I am.
Okay, tell them exactly your name that they could find you on LinkedIn, first of all.
So it's Bradley Carucci, Carucci. Airborne's website is Airborne, AIRBORNE, MX.com is the main website, and you can go through there. We're actually hiring also. We're about 150 people short right now, too.
Give a quick plug on your hiring. What are you looking for?
So we're looking for technicians, machinists. It's wide open with.
And in Wilmington or Tampa or where?
Both? In both facilities right now.
Awesome. All right. Yeah. Well, thank you so much. Listen, I think we've done a job, the best job we could in trying to capture this for people watching. And, if you're interested in learning more about, 145 maintenance on heavy and components and remanufacturing and maybe cargo conversions, especially I hear you saying focusing on, parts that need to be manufactured, some of those things would stop the line. Okay, you guys have the ability to be able to remanufacture that. That's really good. So thanks for sharing that good information with us. And I want to encourage you watching today is, hey, what booth are we at right now? We're
4032.
4032. If you're here at the show, come to booth 4032. And you can
ask for Brad
or anybody else here. And if you're not, I hope you enjoyed watching online. Reach out to him on LinkedIn or on the website. Thank you so much. And I look forward to the next interviews that we'll have this afternoon. Stand by and watch. We have a lot of really good energy going, and we're talking to a lot of companies down here. Thanks. Appreciate you watching. Goodbye.